Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will learn about one very awesome feature added in the new version of Microsoft PowerPoint and with the subscribed version. So this feature is available in the Home tab on the right side of the ribbon, which is called Design Ideas. So it makes your simple slides into makeovers, and it gives you some good designing ideas regarding your PowerPoint slide, which saves a lot of your time in doing manual and consuming a lot of time in designing a slide. So now as you can see that on my this particular slide, I have two shapes and two images, and I need some ideas from the PowerPoint. So based on AI algorithm, it will run and it will suggest some designing ideas. So let's see what kind of ideas this application gave us regarding this slide. So I will click on design ideas, and now it will generate some designing ideas. Now you can see that within few seconds, depending on your internet connection speed, it generates some slides on the right side on this pane, right? So whatever the design you like the most, just click on that slide and your current slide will definitely convert it into that same image. So because it's a demonstration video, it's not with the real objects and or the text, but when you do it with in your scenario, either with the academic presentation or a real-time workplace presentation, so you will find a lot of very good and awesome uh, ideas related to your designing of the slides, or you can say makeover of your slides. So you can see that with a one click, everything gets changed into a different kind of a layout, right? So this is very awesome feature added in the latest version, which is called Design Ideas, and I hope you will apply these features to make sure that you consume less time in designing and more into the ideas. Thank you.